And welcome. Today we're going to learn how to fetch Xero contacts to Airtable via Data Fetcher. So Xero is a really great cloud-based accounting software platform for small to medium-sized businesses. You can do everything on here from invoicing to bank transactions and more. So what we're going to do today is bring this data through to our Airtable. So as soon as you arrive to your Airtable base, you can press on the Apps button in the top right-hand corner and then click Add an app. Now you can search Data Fetcher in the search bar and that should appear. Click on the Add, click Add App. And now you can choose to create a free Data Fetcher account, or you can simply continue with Google. So now you can import your data by clicking on the big blue button to create your first request. And we can give this request a name, and then we can search for the application Xero. Now we will have to create a new Xero connection. So if you click on this under authorization, it will bring you to the following screen to log in to Xero. So you can simply press login, and now if you scroll down, you can allow access. Once you've done that, you want to select your endpoint as list all contacts and press save and continue in the bottom right hand corner. Now select your organization, and we will be leaving the rest of this blank and we'll just be able to press save and run. But if you would like to, you can change the modified after date, which allows you to only fetch contacts modified after a specified date. So you can leave this blank to import all of your contacts, and then of course you have the output view and table for your own preferences. But like I say, nice and simple. All we have to do is press save and run, and then press continue. And now we've been brought through to the following page, and this page is where your fields are available to select. So we can turn these toggles on and off simply by clicking on the green to grey or grey to green, or we can press filter all to turn all of the toggles off. Now you can search for what fields you'd like to bring in the find field search bar. So we would actually like to bring in contact ID. This is so important because this information is what allows you to keep your records synced between Xero and Airtable. So always select contact ID. Then we would like contact status, name, email address, and is supplier is customer. Fantastic. So once you've done that, you can press save and run. And as you can see, this is working to bring in our data. And now we can select Show Output Table. As you can see, this has brought through the requested data from Xero, really nice and simple. And to the right-hand side, we have all of those specific settings that we chose for this request. So you can open this up by selecting the full screen button, and now we can go down to Advanced Settings. So if we scroll down to Update Based on Field, we can select that contact ID that I mentioned earlier. It's really important so that you can keep your records synced. Now you can simply press save. And if you would like this to run automatically, as you can see up here, we have a schedule button. This might not look the same on yours if you don't have Data Fetcher as a paid account, so go ahead and do that and then come back to this step. Then you can add your API key, which when you select on it, it prompts you to click on this link, which will take you to your Airtable account where you can generate your API key. So click on that button and simply copy over this key back to your Airtable. Paste it in and press the save button. Great, now you can see that the schedule this request now has that toggle which we can turn on and select every day of the week so that we know that our records are being automatically synced from Xero to Airtable Monday through till Sunday, 9 to 6 every 15 minutes, so you don't have to think about a thing. Then you can press save in the bottom right hand corner again and then close that window over. So hopefully today you've learned how to import Xero contacts to Airtable via Data Fetcher, and it is really that simple. If you do have any questions though, you can always reach out to us here at Data Fetcher, where we also do have a full-length blog in detail on this specific topic as well. Thank you so much for your time. I really hope this helped today.